I'm going to be welding this step rail back in place. It goes right here at those holes there. That's where the posts go in. So I'm going to repair this up. And what has happened, see here at the bottom, they install this directly in the concrete. Over the years it rotted out, and you can see now it's not connected, so they fall over after years of corrosion right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld the post back onto here and then anchor this plate in the ground. This is the original position of that. You can see water just set in it, and it just eroded over the years. So I'm gonna clean it up and just put this plate over it and get it back up. Okay, I have used a grinder to grind these part here, and that got rid of a lot of the thin corroded parts, and I made sure that it was able to, each post was able to touch the plate. So as you see here, I have a gap there, but I'm gonna fill that in. And these two right here is direct contact. So once I start welding, should get them in place. The only issue is that I think I'm gonna trip a breaker or two, because I'm not at the shop where I have dedicated welding lines. So I might have to take this either to the house or to the shop. So let's see what we can do as far as getting this at least tacked on upright. You all want to see that? I'll show you all this way. So once I clean it up, look like it's gonna look nice. I have all the wheels done, so I just have to do this back side here. So I tilted the railing to the side so I can finish this part right here. And I'm gonna clean up the flux off the wheels. Then I'm going to anchor it to the concrete. Okay, I have all of the plates welded to the bars here. So now I'm going to drill the holes and use these screws. Screw this down. So I have 12 of these. Each one of those plates have 4. So after I finish that, make sure it's secured, then I'm going to paint it. Then I have another rail up front, then I'm going to do the same on that. Okay. Slowly. Okay, I have finished, and it gave me a headache, but I got the rail in. Some of the screws broke, so I ended up welding the stub that was sticking out the screws, just welding those little stubs to the bars right there to make sure that it was a good connection. So all I have to do now is paint it and call this one complete. Start on the next one. Thanks for watching.